As a child of Listing Basic, the Listing Premium class will perform all the same functions and utilize the same properties as the parent class. Additionally, a child may add its own attributes and abilities. This is where extending comes in. There are many additional features that we could add to extend the premium listing, such as a description, logo, dates, code of conduct, and call for papers. For this project, I'm going to add a description, but go ahead and add your own features when we're done. The first thing we need to do is create a new property with its getters and setters. Private description. Let's copy the title getter and setters from the Listings Basic class. Now we can replace title with description. Let's test this out on our index page. We'll add a new object named test, and we'll set this equal to new listing premium. Now let's move our display out of the for each loop. Now we can add a description to the test on the index page. We'll set this to my description. Now let's check this out in the browser. Whoops, I forgot to change listing to test. Let's try that again. Great, our test listing has the new description property. Let's add a little more. I want to allow my description to accept certain tags. There are many different ways to do this, but I'm going to use the strip tags function, so let's check out the documentation. You can use the optional second parameter to specify tags which should not be stripped. You specify a string with the simple form of the tags you wish to allow. Let's create a new protected property. Protected, allowed tags, and we'll set this to P, BR, B, strong, M for emphasis, U, OL, UL, and LI. That will give us a decent list. Now we need to change the setter. We've been using the filter var to sanitize the information coming in. This allows us to safely accept user data. Instead of filter var, we're going to use the strip tags function to strip all but a few simple tags. For the second parameter, we specify our allowed tags. This allowed tags. Let's go back to index.php and add some tags to our description. Good tags and bad tags. Now let's test this in a browser again. You can see that the description left the B tags but removed the link because the A tag is not one of the allowed tags. Remember, this setDescription method is specific to our Listing Premium class, and our Listing Basic class will not be affected. Let's try changing this test to use our Listing Basic class. Now we get a call to undefined method on our Listing Basics class because it does not know about the set description method. That only applies to a listing premium object. Let's change this back to listing premium.